I was sitting on the floor of my dorm room, folding my clothes and putting them away. Which is something I hate doing more than anything else in the world, except maybe listening to people talk about themselves in the third person. I mean, who does that? Oh, isn't Zachary such a talented young man? Doesn't Zachary play the clarinet so beautifully? God, it makes me want to puke. Anyway, I was folding my socks, which is a whole other story, because who the hell invented socks that don't match? I swear to God, I think someone in the sock industry has it in for me personally. And then there's the whole thing with the laundry room being on the other side of campus. I mean, why can't they just put it somewhere convenient? Like, right next to the dining hall or something. But no, they have to stick it in the middle of nowhere, where you have to walk through 3 different buildings just to get there. As I was folding my clothes and putting them away, which, by the way, is the most boring thing you can possibly do unless you're into that kind of thing. Which I'm not, I started thinking about how weird life is. I mean, here I am, folding my clothes, and outside people are probably having the time of their lives, going to parties, meeting girls, doing all sorts of stuff that I'm not doing. And it's not like I don't want to be out there with them. It's just that I can't stand the phoniness of it all. I remember last week, this guy named Eddie, who I don't even like that much, came up to me and said, "Hey, Zach. You coming to the party tonight?" And I could tell by the way he said it that he didn't really care whether I came or not. He just wanted to look cool in front of his friends, like he was some kind of party animal or something. So I just said, "Nah, I've got a lot of homework," which was a lie, because I'd already done all my homework for the week. But I couldn't bring myself to go to that stupid party and pretend to have fun. So there I was, folding my clothes and putting them away, feeling more alone than ever. And I started thinking about how maybe I should just stop being such a goddamn loner. Maybe I should try to make some real friends, you know? Not just people who pretend to like me because it's convenient for them. But then again, who has the time for that? Especially when you're busy folding your clothes and putting them away. And that's when I realized something. Maybe folding clothes and putting them away isn't such a bad thing after all. At least it's honest work. At least it doesn't involve pretending to be someone you're not. So I kept folding my clothes and putting them away, and for the first time in a long while, I felt kind of okay with myself. But don't get me wrong, I still hate folding clothes and putting them away. It's just that sometimes you have to do things you hate in order to figure out who you really are. And that's about as deep as I ever get, so let's just leave it at that.